Hi guys, welcome to today's video. Today, I wanted to do like Tuesdays are my makeup days. So I'm at the point though, I'm like, I don't know, like I go to the drugstore, I went to Sephora, I'm walking around Sephora, I'm like, nothing's really catching me. What's new? There's like, I don't know, it's spring. I want spring colors. How many new palettes of eyeshadow can you get that is the same color? I have all these colors. Foundation, I don't know, like right now I'm kind of like using BB creams, eyeliners, like I'm feeling like makeup is getting boring. I know that's so bad to say, but I just feel like, what am I trying anymore? Like if there's anything that you guys want to see me review, let me know, because I'm just like, I don't know, like I want exciting makeup and I'm not seeing much. So I went to the drugstore and I looked around there and I'm like, oh, I did this, I tried this, like what's new? I don't know. So I just picked up a few items to try. At the drugstore, I got some L'Oreal and some Covergirl items. So because I'm on the whole BB cream, more not doing foundation, I picked up this L'Oreal Visible Lift Luminous Serum Tint. This one is an 805 Amber. So I don't know, it's supposed to be like a glowy thing, so let's see what it says. Nourishing moisture for your skin with a touch of illuminating color, which is what I'm liking lately. Enhances skin comfort and glow for healthy looking, lustrous skin. Hydrate, illuminate, and add a touch of sheer color for an all day fresh complexion. So I figured I'll try this. I purchased that, and then I got, because now I know I never used to use concealer really. Did I say the right word? Concealer. But I'm liking it lately. So I picked up this CoverGirl True Blend It's Lit Brightening Concealer. And I got it in number 200 Light. So I'll try that. And then what else did I get? And I mean, this was a little different. I don't know that it's going to really show up on my skin, to be quite honest with you. But this is L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. You know I love their mascara. But this is a felt tip liquid eyeliner, and it's in the color Rose Gold. I think that was different. But I don't know that that color's going to show up that much, but whatever. And as far as eyeshadows, I feel like every eyeshadow palette looks the same. Let's be honest. Neutrals, it's got maybe like a maroon in there, a rust color. It's like they're all the same. And it's spring, and I don't know. So I just picked up this eyeshadow palette. This is more like what I used to buy years ago, eyeshadow palettes. Tiny little, from the drugstore, 4-pack eyeshadow palette like this. So I thought I would try it because the pink in there kind of somewhat spring. I don't know. Like, I'm just sick of, I'm looking at all these colors and I'm like, I have it. Like, why am I going to buy another whole palette of the same color? So again, if there's anything you are interested in, you want me to check out, I will do it. So this is CoverGirl in number 203, Negative Space, it's called. So this is Eye Enhancers Fard Accent, F-A-R-D accent. Okay, anyway, let's just try it, and then I'm going to mix it around with my other usual makeup. So let's get into this. First, let me open this. Okay, let's get started. So I'm going to go in with the L'Oreal Visible Lift Luminous Serum Tint. And again, I got this in amber. I don't know if I have to shake it, but I did. I'll put I'll put everything down below. I hope I didn't get that in too dark, but I'll brighten it up with my concealer. I'm not putting a lot on. I'll start a little because I have no idea how this is going to look. Ooh, oh, okay. It's a little dark, but okay, this is like zero coverage, basically. Like I've gotten the BB cream, I tried the Almay a couple weeks ago, and those at least had a little more coverage. Definitely had more coverage. This is like really sheer, but I think it's not meant to cover anything. It's just like, oh, I meant to put that there. It's just like a illuminate, sheer, give a little glow. Yeah, All right, I mean, I see a glow. I have so many glowy things though. It's okay. I don't really see the purpose of it, to be honest. Yeah, I don't see it. Like, I don't know. Luminous Serum Tint. I guess it gives a little tint to your skin if you want a little color, but I don't think it changed the color at all for me. It's moisturizing. It's a moisture for your skin with a touch of illuminating color. It's like a little touch. Okay, let's go in now with this CoverGirl True Blend. It's lit. Okay, so, oh, one side's a brush. My hands are like, what do I do? Wait. Oh, it's a twist. Wait. Okay, so I'm thinking this is a twist. I was trying to open it. I thought maybe you put it on, but I think what you do is there's a big space here. Okay, so I'll apply it with this, but work it through with a different brush because I don't see how good. I wish I got lighter in this even. I'm just gonna wipe it. I hate when things are dirty. Okay, and this is light. There was a fair one, but I'm like, it's probably really light. Okay, go in with a flat brush and just kind of, like, this will at least cover up my, that's why I'm liking the concealer with less, like, foundation and stuff, or even no foundation, because I feel like at least the concealer will cover up my blemishes more if I don't feel like wearing heavy makeup. Again, I don't really, as you could see, I haven't used primer for my eyes or my face in so long, and it's fine. I personally just don't see a difference. I don't know. I'll just get my mirror so I don't keep going out of the camera. It seems fine. Put a little under my eyes. My eyes, under my eyes look a little. I normally don't do that. I usually don't have much darkness under my eyes, but for some reason, it seems so. Too much partying last night? I don't know. I think I put too much. I mean, it's not bad, but there are other concealers I do like a little better. But this is good. No, it's good, it's good. All right, so now, what else is new? Oh, oh yeah, the filter. So let me just finish my face quickly. Just putting a little of Becca Shimmering Skin Perfector Pressed Bronzer in Amber. Just a little bit. I'm not going to go crazy today. See, I like a light look lately. You know what's funny? It actually looks really good now, right? Like the concealer, the tint, like I don't need heavy foundation anymore. I feel like if you feel, like I feel like my skin's doing okay right now, that I don't really need a lot of foundation. Like this looks really nice. Okay. Just go in with my eyebrows, and then once I'm done with my eyebrows, we can get into the eyeshadow and the eyeliner. Be back. Okay, that was the $1 Billion Brows Universal Brow Pencil that I used. And now let's go into this CoverGirl. What did I call it? Negative Space. They still use these, huh? Okay, so there is a nice light white kind of color, so let's see how I'll put that. I'm just gonna move my mirror up. You don't see it. I'm gonna put that all over. Yeah, so like, I don't know. What's new in makeup? I keep trying to find it and I'm like, oh, that's not really new. That's not new. Like, I don't know. I don't want to say I'm bored with it, but like I want to try things that are a little different. Okay, I don't know. So, I guess I'll go into this pink. I'll put the pink on the lid. It's like a violet actually. I thought it was more pink, but either way, fine. I'm not really, I don't have the right brush here. I'm gonna use this brush again. Okay, I'm like not even tapping it. And this is why we review products, like nothing's coming off. I don't see any color. Do you see any color? Should I not have put that on my, like not, oh my God, wait, what? Did I get like a defect? Look what I'm doing here. And I love Covergirl, but what's going on here? Is that possible? Literally, like literally nothing's coming off. And I'm like rubbing the heck out of that. I mean, like a little bit came off of my tissue, but you, like my thing, my wipe, but. All right, well, just to make it even, I'll do the same on the other side. I don't understand what's going on. It's kind of weird. Maybe if I go in another room, the natural light it'll show. It's off though. Maybe I shouldn't put the white there. Could be my fault, but. Okay. Let's try the brown, the dark brown here. I mean, it's showing up a little more. Definitely more than the pink. I really, like the whole point of me getting this was for the more of the pink violet color because I wanted to do like springy colors. And this is the only like eyeshadow I found that had like a spring color in there. I'm just like, how many brown, how many tans palettes can I get, really? Like at the end of the day, they're kind of the same. But I guess not the same as far as formula goes because clearly that pink in other ones that I would try in other palettes and other name brands would have come out much more bolder. It's too bad. I really wanted to show a lot of pink. And now I'll put a little shimmer, I guess, here because the pink didn't come up. So I'm gonna make this a neutral. Actually, I mean, it looks good. It looks good, actually. Just no pink. I feel like I haven't worn shimmers in so long. I don't know why. Okay, the one that I'm excited about is this felt tip rose gold. I hope it shows up. I think it's kind of cool. So, I always use black, 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 or brown. This is kind of cool. Wow, that's actually pretty. It's pretty. Okay, so let's put her on our eyes. I was worried about that not showing up. Maybe I shouldn't have used shimmer because it's kind of, it has to fight the shimmer for attention because it's kind of similar. I'm trying to go really thick. Yeah. I probably shouldn't have put shimmer on. I should have did like a matte, you know? Again, it's so close to my skin color that I don't know if I really would have seen it. I'm going really heavy now. Okay, everything's on. I don't know. I mean, the eyeshadow is pretty, but don't get it for the pink because the pink doesn't show up. The eyeliner, it's there. I can kind of see it. I don't know if you could see it, but it's barely there. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know if it would be worth it. Even if I put it on a matte color, I don't know. I like the L'Oreal Visible Lift Luminous Serum Tint. It's not much of anything though, and I wonder if I just used the concealer alone, if I would have got the same look. I don't know. So, I don't know. I spend so much money all the time and I just don't know what to buy anymore. So, that's it. What do I say? Not hating, but not loving. Yeah. So, I don't know. Hopefully maybe they'll find something new and exciting in makeup soon to try, because I really want to try. I love trying makeup again as the average person. I'm not an expert in makeup. I'm not, a makeup artist. I just like to try new makeup. So, what can I say? If you know of anything that you think I should try, let me know. So, I guess that's it. I'm going to call it a day. And I'm going to end this video now. So, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't. Please check out my Instagram, nycurl401. And, yeah, so until next time, have a great day. Thanks again.